Hey there, gaming enthusiasts. Today, I am thrilled to present to you the AOTESIER gaming PC. The ultimate machine for all your gaming needs. This gaming PC is a force to be reckoned with. Featuring a powerful AMD Core i8 7680 processor and a blazing fast 240G SSD that will take your gaming experience to the next level. But that's not all. This PC is also a DIY assembly desktop. Full set of esports game computer, giving you the freedom to customize and upgrade your rig to your heart's content. Whether you're playing League of Legends, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, or any other online game, this gaming PC will deliver top-notch performance and an incredibly smooth gaming experience. The integrated Radeon R7 processor graphics and the graphics card's basic frequency of 1029 MHz ensure stunning visuals and seamless gameplay. And with the best-in-class storage options, including the 240GB SSD and 500GB HDD. You can say goodbye to slow loading times and hello to immersive gaming and lightning-fast file transfers. And let's not forget the free shining cooler fans that add a touch of style to this already impressive machine. These customizable RGB LEDs will make your gaming setup stand out from the rest, but wait. There's more. When you order from our store, you'll receive exclusive gifts. But hurry, the quantity is limited. So make sure to take advantage of this special offer. And if you have any questions or need assistance, our customer service team is here to help and ensure that all your needs are met. So why wait? Upgrade your gaming setup today with the AOTESIER gaming PC. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible machine and elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Thank you for choosing us. And happy gaming.